Hello friends, I am Dr. Prashant Sharma and you're watching Medicos Hub. In this video we are going to discuss the mechanism of self-recognition. Now what is self-recognition? It is the process by which own MHC proteins do not recognize the self-antigens. This is done by immunological tolerance. It's very important term. Unresponsiveness of an individual to antigen which are self-type is termed as immunological tolerance. Now the mechanism behind the development of immunological tolerance is based on two types or two mechanisms: negative selection, positive selection. Negative selection means selection for destruction. Positive selection means selection for survival. Now during the process of development of T cells in thymus, the T cells with TCR, that is T cell receptor, that recognize the peptide fragments of self antigens are eliminated, while those T cells which are having the TCR but that do not recognize are retained. This is done by two mechanisms. First one is clonal deletion and another one is clonal energy. Now, in clonal deletion during embryonic stages, the T cells are selectively destroyed by apoptosis, while in clonal energy, the T cells survived the embryonic stages and these are also available in the post-embryonic life. But important thing is that because of some self-regulatory mechanisms, the receptors of the T cells become non-responsive or unresponsive to the antigens. So this is clonal energy. They are present but these are not responsive. Now the positive selection. The T cells that are able to recognize self MHC molecules during their development in the thymus survive, but those T cells that are unable to recognize are destroyed. Now destruction occurs by apoptosis. Then what will happen if they are able to identify? They are able to identify that these are self antigens but they will not respond to the self antigens. It is important. So positive selection means the cells are able to recognize and they know that they are not going to give any response to the self antigens. So this is the immunological tolerance. Hit the like button, share and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates and notifications.